Hello, this is Adam with XLaser. I'm here to give you a quick overview on the wave modulation functions of our Mercury laser control system. I'm going to start by just locating this fixture. And we've got a basic circle. I'm going to come here to wave 1 in my attribute editor. And this allows us to apply a whole bunch of different waveforms at different angles, wavelengths, amplitudes, phase, and traverse speeds, all to this basic shape. And we can layer multiple units on top of each other or change where they go in the chain. So right now I'm going to leave this as pre, as in it happens before the prism effect. And I'm going to add a radial sine wave effect. Now you notice that didn't do anything. Before it can do anything, I need to give it a speed. I need to give it an amplitude. So now we've just got this fun pulsing effect. And I can, of course, make this pulsing effect go faster or slower. When you go faster, you get really interesting like persistence of vision effects that make it look really deeply layered. When you go slower, you just get this nice smooth pulse. So I'm going to add wavelength to this. The higher the wavelength function, the greater the frequency. And now you can see that we've been able to add some interesting layer to that. I'm going to actually bring that to 4. There we go. And I'll change that to a ramp. So you can see that the different waveform type gives us a very different effect. I'll increase our amplitude, which increases the size of the wave. And now you can see that with just one quick thing on the single wave oscillator, we've taken a basic circle and turned it into a really interesting abstract shape. We can then run that shape through prisms, through our color system, all kinds of good stuff. So play with the different banks of wave oscillators and see what kind of interesting things you can make.